In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy EPO or IPO on Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and actually download Robinhood application on your phone. If you don't have that, you can download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and actually sign up to create your account. Of course, if not your first time using the application, just go log into your account and let's just get straight into the tutorial or the video. So let me just go here and open my Robinhood application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial step. So here, as you can see, they are actually asking me to enter a PIN code. So if it's not your first time, or if it's your first time opening the application, they'll not ask you to do that. But the second time you open the Robinhood application, they'll actually ask you to set a PIN code, then start using this PIN code whenever you enter the application. So for me, my PIN code is just here for zeros. So then it will actually take you into the home or the main screen. So first of all, you will not be able to use the Robinhood application correctly, or you'll not have full access or options if you didn't do three things, which is verifying your account, add funds to your account, and use the application and USA. Of course, maybe you live there or using a VPN. You'll find out how to do all of that in this channel. Go check it out. And of course, if you already have a verified account, a correctly using application, all we need to do just follow these steps. So if you want to find an EPO or IPO that interests you, tap I'm interested button. So where you are going to find this I'm interested. You would like to find first of all an IPO or EPO that you're interested on. Of course, you can scroll down or go to whatever IPO interests you. So for me, as I said, I will not have the full options, so you cannot see exactly, but I'm going to tell you what to do. So just find the IPO or EPO that interests you, tap I'm interested button, review the checklist and confirm your eligibility, read the company's prospectus to learn more, including potential risk. Then tap the request share button, then enter the details of your request, then add the last tap at the review button, and you'll be actually good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.